Hi, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how to manage your YouTube channel settings using the YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone. So first, you need to open your uh, YouTube Studio app and you can access some settings of your channel through your app. So first, you need to open your app, then click on the top corner your logo, and after that, you get some options here, like you can click on edit channel profile, and after that you can edit your profile photo from this, and you can edit your name, you can edit your channel description, and you can edit your YouTube channel banner from your YouTube Studio app. And you can do one more thing. So for that you need to click on your profile again and go to settings, and you can just customize your comment notifications and your currency. You can just also you can also change these options as well. So this is how you can customize your uh, so this is how you can change some settings of your YouTube channel in your YouTube Studio application.